Okay, now move to the question 5. Draw as many different factors 3 as you can to show the prime factors of these numbers. हमने एक नंबर के डिफरेंट ट्रीज बनाने हैं और उसके फैक्टर्स शो करने हैं. गॉट इट. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. 40 लास्ट में 0 है, इट्स मीन डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो 2 2s are 4, 0 एज इट इज सेम हो जाएगा. इट्स मीन 2 20s are 40. Again, 2 is a prime number, circled it, and 20 is a composite number, break it into two parts. Again, 2 10s are 20, 2 10s are 20. So 2 is a prime number, 10 is a composite number, break it into two parts. 2 5s are 10, so 2 and 5 both are composite prime numbers, circled them. At the end we don't have any composite number to break it into two parts. That's why the question is completed. At the end of the questions we have 2 2 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 40. And how to multiply it? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 5s are 40. अब 40 का एक डिफरेंट वे से भी ट्री बन सकता है. कैसे बन सकता है? 40 जो है वो 4 के टेबल में भी आता है. इट्स मीन 4 10s are 40. मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन आएगा इधर. गॉट इट. देन 4 is also a composite number and 10 also a composite number, so break them into two parts. 2 2s are 4 and 10. 2 5s are 10, so 2 2 both are composite numbers, prime numbers, and 2 5 both are prime numbers, circled them. So at the end we have 2 2 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 40. How to multiply them? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 5s are 40. Again हम 40 का एक ट्री बना सकते हैं, स्मॉलेस्ट ट्री. 5 के टेबल में भी आता है ना 40. इट्स मीन 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are composite is prime number, and 8 is a composite number. Break it into two parts. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 is a composite number, prime number, circled it, and 4 is a composite number. 2 2s are 4. At the end I've got 2 2 2 5 2 2 and 2 are the prime factors of 40. So देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे 40 के 3 ट्रीज बना दिए हैं और फिर यूजिंग ट्री मैंने उसके फैक्टर्स शो किए हैं. देखिए सेम फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं. गॉट इट. 2 2 3 times 2 and 1 times 5. Got it. Now 48. 8 means divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 8 रह गया. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 is a prime number, circled it. 24 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors, or so that's why यानी कि 3 से भी ज़्यादा factors हैं. 3 जिसके और it has 3 factors. That's why it's a composite number. So 24 again divisible by 2 है. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, देखो यहाँ से 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is a prime number and 12 is a composite number because it has 3 or more than 3 factors. So 2 multiply by 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 again circled 2, and 6 2 3s are 6. So 2 and 3 are the prime factors. At the end I've got 2 2 2 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 48. अब हम 48 को इस तरीके से भी शो कर सकते हैं. 48 6 के टेबल में भी आता है. 6 multiply by 8, so 6 is a composite numbers and 8 is also a composite number. Break them into two parts. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 2 and 3 are the prime numbers, circled them. 8 में 2 सिर्फ prime number है, circled it, and then 4 is a composite numbers. Break it into two parts. 2 2s are 4. So at the end I've got 2 3 2 2 and 2 are the prime factors of 48. इसी तरह से 48 है. Again 4 12s are 48. 4 and 12 are the composite number. Break them into two parts. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, and then last 6 है. 2 3s are 6. At the end I've got फैक्टर्स ऑफ 48. अगर हम 3 ट्रीज़ के इन तीनों ट्रीज़ के फैक्टर्स को मैच करें तो वो सेम ही आते हैं. इसी तरह से मैंने 50 को भी सॉल्व कर लिया. गॉट इट.